Welcome to Daily Quizzer. How smart are you? Can you answer these general knowledge questions that everyone should know? Tell me at the end how many you know. Let's get started. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? That's Mars. What is the capital city of Japan? That would be Tokyo. Which ocean is the largest in the world? It's the Pacific Ocean. What gas do plants need for photosynthesis? They need carbon dioxide. Who painted the Mona Lisa? That's Leonardo da Vinci. How many continents are there on Earth? There are 7. What is the tallest mountain in the world? That's Mount Everest. What is the fastest land animal? Yeah, it's the cheetah. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? That's France. What is the largest mammal in the world? The blue whale, of course. How many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors. What is the capital of Italy? That's Rome. Which instrument has black and white keys? It's the piano. What is the chemical symbol for water? That's H2O. Which planet is closest to the Sun? That's Mercury. What is the largest country by area? That's Russia. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The lion, of course. How many legs does a spider have? It's got 8 legs. What is the national flower of Japan? That's the cherry blossom. Which bird can mimic human speech? The parrot can do that. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? That's William Shakespeare. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? That's the mango. How many sides does a triangle have? Three sides. Simple. Which organ in the human body pumps blood? That's the heart. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? That's diamond. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? That's the pound. Which planet is known for its rings? That's Saturn. Who was the first person to walk on the moon? That was Neil Armstrong. What is the capital of Canada? That's Ottawa. Which insect makes honey? That's the bee. How many players are there in a football soccer team? There are 11 players. What is the process by which plants make their food? That's photosynthesis. What is the largest desert in the world? The Sahara Desert. How many bones are there in the adult human body? "106 bones, exactly. Which continent has the most countries? That's Africa. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? It's 100 degrees Celsius. Who invented the light bulb? That's Thomas Edison. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? That's Jupiter. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? That's Mercury. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Yeah, that's the zebra. What is the smallest prime number? That's 2. How many hours are there in a day? There are 24 hours. What do we call a baby cat? That's a kitten. Which country is shaped like a boot? That's Italy. What is the largest island in the world? That's Greenland. Which bird is a symbol of peace? That's the dove. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? That's Portuguese. How many planets are in our solar system? There are 8 planets. What color do you get by mixing red and blue? You get purple. Subscribe if you love purple color. Which gas do humans need to breathe? That's oxygen. How many continents does the Earth have? Seven continents. Which part of the plant absorbs water? That's the roots. Which bird is the largest? Yeah, it's the ostrich.